In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a document approval workflow with Jotform. To get started, open your browser and navigate to jotform.com. If you haven't already signed up, don't worry. You can easily sign in using your Google or Microsoft account, or simply enter your email address and password. Once you're in, you'll notice a drop-down menu beside the Jotform logo at the top left of the screen. Click on this menu to reveal a selection of options where you'll find Jotform workflows. This is where we'll begin crafting our approval process. Now that you've accessed Jotform workflows, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the interface. The next step is to click on the My Workflows tab, which will take you to a page that lists all your existing workflows. If you haven't created any yet, this page will be blank. It's time to bring your first workflow to life, so go ahead and click the Create Workflow button you'll see here. Continuing the process, choose the option to start from scratch. While it might seem quicker to choose a predefined template, creating a workflow from scratch gives you full control over every step, ensuring it meets your specific needs. With your blank canvas ready, the next step is to click on Add Form. This is an essential part of your workflow since approvals usually revolve around forms of some kind. If you need to create a new form, you have the option to use a template from Jotform's extensive library, which can save you a lot of time. For this demonstration, let's select the expense reimbursement form template. You'll find that this template seamlessly integrates into your approval workflow. Upon selection, your chosen form will now be visible as part of the approval flow, and it will also open in a new browser tab within the form builder, allowing you to make any necessary adjustments. It's important to note that you now have access to your entire approval flow directly from the form builder. Simply navigate over to the Settings tab and look under the Approval Flows section. Here you can manage every aspect of your document approval process, from defining who needs to approve forms to setting notifications, making it a powerful feature for streamlining your processes. And there you have it. You've successfully created a basic document approval workflow in Jotform. With this setup, you can automate the approval process for various kinds of documents, ensuring efficiency and clarity in your workflow. Whether you're dealing with expense reports, leave applications, or any other forms, Jotform makes it all quite manageable. Remember to revisit and tweak your workflow as needs evolve, and feel free to explore further customization options to better suit your organization's requirements. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.